friend, and welcome to the 11th video in my series about how to know when to buy organizing products and what kinds to buy or not to buy. Click the I in the corner if you missed the intro. In this video, I am featuring can dispenser racks. Remember, you want to wait until the 6th step of organizing before you purchase organizing supplies. These can be surprisingly multifunctional. There are two different types of can dispensers, a rotating can dispenser rack and a gravity-fed can dispenser rack. The purpose of both is to bring a can from the back of a cabinet or refrigerator to the front. The rotating can dispenser allows you to load it from the top, which allows you to load newer items on top and push older items that are expiring first to the front, which can easily be grabbed from the bottom. You don't want to have different cans in the same row. Otherwise, it defeats the purpose of keeping them organized for easy access. Otherwise, you might as well continue to have them randomly sitting on the shelf. The best ways to use a rotating can dispenser rack is to store the same item per row. If you consistently purchase the same items, you can label each section in case you run out before you make it to the grocery store. This allows you to keep up with your grocery shopping at a glance. Some unconventional ways to use can dispenser racks can be to store baggies and wraps, to create a lunch prep or meal prep station. You can store 2 snack size and sandwich size boxes per shelf. The ledge holds the opened box in place so that you can easily grab the baggie. Once this box is emptied, the box behind will slide forward. You can also use it to store cleaning supplies, especially if you purchase sponges or scrubbers in bulk. This allows you to see when you use up your last scrubber, so you can put it on the shopping list, or when you use up the last cleaning cloth so you know you need to put them in the wash. On the top, you can store different types of trash bags without their packaging, which allows you to see at a glance when you are running low as well. If you don't purchase canned foods often, you can store cans directly on the shelf. You can stack multiples, and as you use them up, slide them to the front so that it is easy to see how many you have left. Also, as they are moved forward, they won't get lost in the back of the cabinet. If you are not able to easily move the cans forward, like if your shelf is too high for example, then a can dispenser rack can be the perfect solution. If you purchase the same canned foods consistently, a can dispenser rack is obviously the perfect solution for you. This can also be great for creating a mini multiple shelf solution that dispenses small items in a small space. First, as always, don't purchase more can dispenser racks than you need. Again, you will pare down your items to what you need before you purchase any organizing products in general. Walmart has the best price for a gravity-fed can dispenser rack. As usual, I will have links to affordable versions of can dispenser racks on my blog. The direct link to the blog post is below. Don't forget to grab your free organizing resources below so that you can know if the use of a can dispenser rack will be a good solution for your space. I have a lot more organizing products coming up, so be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can know the moment my next video is up and never miss another organizing video. Happy organizing!